Yeah. So where is your brother now?
He's in. He's staying with my sister. That's Weston.
Oh, what's
Just walking distance from where I am.
oh, fantastic. This is really deep because I haven't seen you for such a long time.
Should be about a year.
Yeah. And obviously, when you have your pedicure, they kind of like take off the first layer, but in a way, they're just also pushing it very thoroughly in
I see.
to the skin even more. Once you remove the initial layer, it should be easy. So, how's life and everything?
Yeah, it's fine.
COVID is good?
Pardon?
Is COVID okay over there?
No, we've gotten over COVID for a long while. It wasn't as bad as Europe. We are very lucky.
Uh huh.
We're very lucky. A lot of people are afraid that in Africa they will just be picking their bodies on the streets.
Oh no.
But it was the opposite.
Ah.
So, I mean, of course, we had some cases, but not like Europe or America.
Mm.